I wake up early every day. I am learning English. English is easy for me. I feel relaxed now. I am calm and confident. I like learning new things. I enjoy learning English. I believe in myself. I am improving every day. I feel happy while learning. I speak slowly and clearly. I understand simple English. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. I am getting better day by day. My English is improving. I am focused and relaxed. I am learning new words daily. I wake up early in the morning. I brush my teeth every day. I take a bath daily. I eat healthy food. I go for a walk. I drink enough water. I am busy today. I am free right now. I am feeling good. I am feeling tired. I need some rest. Please help me. Thank you so much. You are welcome. Excuse me. I am sorry. I like this place. I like this food. I like this idea. I don't like noise. What are you doing? Where are you going? What do you want? How are you feeling? I am learning English to improve my life. English helps me communicate better. I want to speak English confidently. I practice English every day. I listen to English daily. I understand English sentences easily. I can speak simple English now. I am not afraid to speak. People understand me when I speak. Learning English is fun for me. I enjoy listening to English. My vocabulary is improving. I speak English at home. I speak English with myself. I think in English sometimes. Slowly, my fluency is improving. I am becoming more confident. Now relax deeply. I am becoming fluent in English. My mind understands English naturally. English words come to me easily. I speak English clearly and confidently. I am improving my pronunciation. I speak English without fear. I enjoy speaking English. Every day, my English is getting better. I learn English effortlessly. My confidence is growing. English opens new opportunities for me. I feel proud of myself. I believe in my abilities. I am calm. I am confident. I am successful.